Interoperability challenge. Let's see how fast I can join all 4 major meeting platforms from a single device without cutting anything. Hey, this is Roland, Cisco Systems Switzerland. I wanted to quickly show you how long it takes me to join one meeting, then leave, then join the other meeting again from a single device. So like through all the 4 major meeting platforms. And I do this by like having pre-joined the meetings with my soft client on my laptop, having some music played, and a successful join would be when I can see the picture and I can hear the music I'm playing. Also, what is needed to connect into these meeting platforms, I'll describe it in the video description and you can read it up later there. And maybe I got some time while I join these meetings to actually talk through it. Okay, let's get started with the first conferencing platform. So we have Webex to join first. We mute the video endpoint. We see audio and video coming through. Hang up again. Then we move on to the second platform, which would be Zoom. Mute as well. And then with Zoom, we have to admit the user. I say admit. And we have immediately audio and video coming through. I have the next platform, which is Google Meet. I mute. I'll have Google Meet also has to admit the user. There we go. And here it takes a little bit longer because it's basically a web service coming in as a end call again. And we have one last service, which is a bit further down. Microsoft Teams, and also in Microsoft Teams we have to admit the user, but it's taking a very short amount of time, and we have the user and audio and video, and there we go, we made it. So thank you very much. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helped. A little bit more fun. Let's see if there's anybody else joining the competition. Please subscribe, and looking forward to see you during my next challenge video, whatever. Thank you and goodbye.